So this is just like an additional video to show you how you do your own personal population pyramid. So I have a bunch of basically made up data here. You can see from the original video that or from the other instructional video that we've made a template for you, male population, female population, and this, and then you just go in sort of like plugging the numbers. And the big key here is that whoever you sort of choose in the immediate vicinity and including male population, you have to put a negative. So this was kind of open-ended. So you can do your family, your like extended family, you can do like your house block, you can do whatever, right? And really it just is a way to sort of like practice how to make pyramids. So let's just say, I'm doing like everyone in my immediate sort of like housing place. Just like, okay, there's a couple of kids here, and then there's one there, two there, that kind of stuff. And then, there's a couple of teenagers um, there. Okay, I already made a mistake on this one because you have to have, in order for this thing to work, you actually have to put a minus kind of thing. And then, like, let's look at the adults. There's a couple of, oh, I made the same mistake. So, a couple adults here. This kind of, so there, and then here's more data, and then there's some sort of grandparents over here, and then and then just a few elderly people. All right, and then you have like your data. So here's all the people. I've kind of did a sort of sample size of everything in there. Now what you do is you highlight everything as it also states in the thing, and then you go to this thing here, insert chart. All right, you go to insert chart, and then you can see you get some sort of thing here. It's all kind of weird, but you have to change it. So you go to chart type, and then you go to this one over here. You go to bar chart, and then I think you get this, and then you get a really kind of, I don't know if you can sort of see it here, but some sort of like messed up population pyramid of of your immediate vicinity. And then I just think, oops, and then you kind of take it from here, right? So, and then you would try and cut and paste this whole thing over. Okay, so that's how you complete the last step of this lesson.